Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And it's that time of year again. We're going to send out a season's greeting from Shop Monkey and I. That's why we're wearing red and green shirts today. This is our Christmas message. We won't be telling you about it on the Grumman Gang because just found out last month during Thanksgiving that that's not allowed. So stay tuned for our Christmas message. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's our Christmas message from Matt and I at Yankee Aviation and all the people you don't see behind the scenes. So, have a good holidays and a good day flying your Grumman. So you've met Freckles, our cat supervisor, but here are the new cats destroying the Avery Island Tabasco pepper that sits by her back door. So I thought you'd enjoy watching them destroy something that doesn't belong to you.